Finally, the inventor of Please Call Me is going to be paid. I'm looking at a story here which says how much Vodacom will pay Makate. This gentleman called Kenneth Makate is the inventor of the Please Call Me, which we all have used on our phones, whether we are on Vodacom, Airtel, you name it. What most people don't know is that this gentleman is finally going to be paid after Vodacom agreed for an out-of-court settlement with him, where they're going to be paying him almost 750 rands millions, which is about 50 million US dollars. To put that in Kenyan context, we're talking about a payment of almost up to 6 billion Kenya shillings. Of course, it hasn't been easy. This guy used to work as an accountant at Vodacom in 2000, and that is when he came up with this concept. Of course, like most companies out there do, the company ran with this invention, and they never paid him. So when he left the company around 2006 is when he sued for the first time. This case has been in courts almost 20 years. Finally, after almost 20 years, they agreed on a settlement. And the reason for it is because Vodacom really never wanted to pay him in the first place. And then when they were cornered, they wanted to pay him a little amount of money, which, interestingly, Mr. Kenneth Makate, who is a South African national, refused. Even around 2016, Vodacom had proposed to pay this gentleman about 1 to about 3 million US dollars, which he refused. But right now we're talking about him being deep in the money because the company wanted to shortchange him. But right now, given that I've seen things are extremely thick, there is no running away. After multiple stages of cases going to different courts, at the end they have agreed to pay. And they're gonna pay this gentleman almost 50 million US dollars. What do you think about that? Do you think Mr. Makate deserves the payment? Do you think the company did him dirty by not paying him despite him inventing something very good for the business, which the company and also other companies have been using for over 25 years? What do you think about this? And finally, what do you think about the typical way companies finance employees and inventors out there? Comment down below in the comment section. Let's continue discussing. Cheers, guys.